Welcome to our video on using GPT, an AI model that can generate human-like text, to create and monetize written content. In today's digital age, there is a demand for high-quality written materials that capture the attention of clients and audiences. In this video, we'll show you how GPT can help you create compelling content, and we'll provide tips for turning that content into a profitable venture. How GPT works and its benefits for written content creation. GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an AI model trained on a large amount of text data. It can generate coherent and human-like text for various purposes, including written content creation. Benefits of using GPT for written content include saving time and effort, improving productivity, and creating unique content. Tips for using GPT for written content creation and monetization. Here are some tips for using GPT to create and monetize written content. Experiment with different prompts and inputs. Use GPT to supplement and enhance your own writing. Review and edit GPT-generated content for accuracy and coherence. Ensure that you have legal rights to use GPT and its output. Be transparent about using GPT and give proper credit to the model. Identify clients or markets and develop a pricing strategy. Consider offering additional services or packages. GPT is a useful tool for creating high-quality written content that saves time and improves productivity. By following best practices such as experimentation, review and editing, and transparency, you can turn your written content into a profitable venture. We hope this video has given you ideas for using GPT to create and monetize written content. Thanks for watching.